Can you believe this? All those clean, high-quality outputs, the interactive web page, sharp infographics, quick knowledge cards, bright slides, a sci-fi 3D web animation, a mini learning game, and a 2-host digital human video all made by Gemini 3 Pro. And the source? Just my 6-page, 2,400-word Python guide. I fed it in RAW, and Gemini turned it into 7 totally different formats. Full tutorial coming, you can do it yourself.
Guys, here are 3 official ways to use Gemini 3 Pro. Firstly, go straight to the Gemini website, just log in, open a page, and pick Thinking with 3 Pro. Secondly, use Google AI Studio. Same thing, log in, look for Gemini 3 Pro Preview, and select it. Thirdly, Google Anti-Gravity. Download the version for your operating system, install it, open Anti-Gravity. Go to Open Agent Manager and choose Gemini 3 Pro. Done.
You must be wondering what the heck is the difference between these 3, right? So check out this super helpful chart. It totally breaks down the 3 most confusing pieces of the Google AI ecosystem for us. Alright, first up, let's look at the blue box on the left, Google Gemini. Basically, just think of this as your personal AI chat buddy for the average person. Whether you are writing a quick draft, asking random questions, or doing image-to-text stuff. The main focus here is simplicity. It's super easy, ready to go, just like texting a friend. Next, we've got the pink one in the middle, AI Studio. This is like the playground or lab specifically for developers. If you are looking to grab a free API key, or maybe quickly test if your prompt is actually any good, don't jump into coding yet. Go here first. The key takeaway is fast. It's a spot to validate ideas and get your keys. And finally, that green box on the right, anti-gravity or IDX. Now this is where the real work happens. It's a full-on workshop. Think of it as Google's cloud-based VS Code environment. If you are building a full production-ready app from scratch, doing full-stack dev, previewing, and deploying, this is your tool. It's the professional workhorse. So, just to wrap it up with the sentence at the bottom, want to chat? Go Gemini. Need an API or testing? Hit up AI Studio. Actually building the project? That's anti-gravity, IDX. Boom, sorted.
Alright, so first, we're gonna start by setting up a web page. Head over to the Gemini website and log in. Then, hit the little plus icon and upload the big file I mentioned at the beginning of the video. Next, type in your prompt something like design a web page based on the document. After that, click on Tools, choose Canvas, and for the model, pick Thinking with 3 Pro. Then just hit Submit. It'll go through the whole process. Analysis, initiating web page design, structuring the layout, thinking about user experience, refining the sections, and finally coding out the web page guide. And that's it, super simple.
Now we are gonna make the premium knowledge card site. Alright, so just upload the file first. And say something like, please convert this document into knowledge cards and present them as 5 separate images. After that, click on Tools and then Canvas. Choose Thinking with 3 Pro. and submit. Third way to use Gemini 3 Pro is data-driven automation infographic series. Just head over to this website, NotebookLM.google.com, and come follow along with me. Once you are in, simply click Create New, and you're ready to start work with your documents. You can upload so many types of content here, like PDF, TXT, Markdown, audio, DOCX from your computer, and also stuff from your Google Drive, web links, YouTube links, and also paste text here. One tiny heads up though, you can add up to 50 sources max, so try not to dump everything in at once. Next, hit upload sources from your computer. After that loaded, so the middle area will automatically show a summarized overview of your content. Super handy, right? And it's get even better. You can chat with your documents whether you want the key highlights or you're stuck on some part and need clarification. NotebookLM can walk you through it. Or even you don't have any idea about the question that you're asking for, you can simply click here, and that's the questions generated by NotebookLM automatically. Now here comes the best part. Click the Infographics option on the right, and there's Studio, and it will start generating your infographics automatically. And yep, everything is customizable. You can click here, like language, orientation, or even the style and colors. All those little details can be tweaked to match exactly what you like. So flexible and fun to work with. Guys, we are using Gemini 3 Pro to make a fourth type of content, a fun comic style learning PPT. Like, how cool is that? The steps are super easy. Listen up. Just hop on the Gemini website and upload your file first. Then watch closely. Go to Tools, choose Canvas, and Syncing with Pro. And finally, input your prompt, like this one. Create a fun comic style learning PPT around 10 to 15 slides. Finally, hit submit, and boom, you're done. Just waiting Gemini to generate your PPT. Alright, let's jump into our fifth content style, the 3D Immersive Interactive Comic Web Module. It's super easy. Just follow along. First, head over to the Gemini website like we have done previously and upload your file from your computer. Then go to the Tools menu and click on Canvas. For the module, choose Syncing with 3 Pro And after that, just drop in a simple prompt, something like create 3D immersive interactive comic vibe module based on the content in my document. Once you have got everything set, hit submit. Sit back and let it do its magic. So you're done. Alright, next up is the sixth format, which is called the Gamified Automation Learning Experience. Sounds a little weird, right? Don't freak, it's super simple if you follow me. First, go to the Gemini website and find where you can upload your files. Just upload the files from your computer. And after it's uploaded, pick the Canva tool and for model choose Sync V3 Pro. Let both in the options are easy to spot. Here's the key bit. Type this prompt exactly like turn the document into a fun game, then where you play. Yep, say straight like the model will get it. Last step, hit submit. That's it. Let it do its thing and turn your boring document into a playful learn where you play mini game.
This game puts you on the path to becoming an automation info flow engineer. You start as a stress data intern, clicking manually to earn points while your info anxiety keeps rising. Use those points to unlock tools like Python, RSS, Gemini, AI, and Notion to boost your passive income. Once you've got them all, arrange the 4 steps, collect info AI, process, store, knowledge, push updates in the right order. Get it right, activate the final architecture, and boom, max passive income, zero anxiety. You level up into an AI architect and enjoy full auto freedom.
Alright, the last content format we are covering is the AI dual host virtual studio video. This one's a bit trickier than the stuff we talked about earlier, so you might need to go through it a couple of times and follow along step by step. No rush, okay? First step, open your browser and go to dreamina.com. Then log in. After that, the key thing is we need the right image. So on the platform, find the AI image generator feature. Once you are in, you will see a box for the prompt. Just type a man and a woman are hosting a podcast together in a live studio. Make sure you switch the model to version 4.1, then hit generate.
If the result doesn't match what you want, no worries. You can tweak the prompt to be more specific, or just upload a reference image and adjust from there. Keep refining until you get a dual host live stream image you're happy with.
Alright, the videos are all done. It's time to get our hosts talking. Let's hop back onto NotebookLM, upload the files, and have it whip up the podcast content for us. Next, the key move. We separate the audio for the female and the male hosts. Split it like this. Female host speaks, male host replies, and female host adds another beat. And then male host wrap it up. 4 separate audio clips ready to go. The images are done and the audios are split. Now, for the final step, head back to Dreamina.capcut.com and pull everything together. Once you are in, find the AI avatar feature from here, avatar, and upload the two host image we just made. My computer is so slowly, I need some more time to load. So don't worry, the platform is super smart. It will automatically detect both hosts in the picture, as you have seen. Here's the character 1 says and character 2, and even all characters that you can see from the interface. So we just pick character 1 and upload the audio. No, actually character 2 first. Upload audio. Female host speaks. Yeah, like this. And click generate. Alright, let's keep going and make the next 3 digital avatar videos by mixing your images with the audio.
To the deep dive. You know, if you're one of the millions of people who sets up, say, Google Alerts or keyword trackers to keep up with your industry,
AI, digital marketing, whatever it is.
right, you end up feeling more overwhelmed than actually informed, then this deep dive is definitely for you.
Feeling that overwhelming sensation, it actually has a name. It's information anxiety.
Alright, here's the whole thing in one breath. This workflow lets you turn one long text into 7 formats using Gemini 3 Pro, NotebookLM, and Dreamina CapCut, from interactive modules to quick knowledge cards, data visuals, and even gamified learning. Create once, reuse everywhere. Hope this helps you break out of the same looking content trap and actually speed up your workflow. Alright, that's it. See you next time.